Namaskar. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Learning. I myself, Vasisht Kumar Nayak. Now I am going to discussion about a new concept as well as a new topic, that is Samagra Shiksha. Samagra Shiksha, Sabko Shiksha, Achhi Shiksha. Before discussion, you have a video clip. You have to must seen. After seen, we will discuss our discussion.
सबको शिक्षा, अच्छी शिक्षा देश के हर बच्चे का सर्वप्रथम अधिकार है और उन्हें ये अधिकार दिलाने के लिए भारत सरकार ने अतुलनीय प्रयास किए हैं। शिक्षा की गुणवत्ता को बेहतर बनाने के लिए सेवारत शिक्षकों का प्रशिक्षण, 37 लाख से ज्यादा छात्रों का नेशनल अचीवमेंट सर्वे के तहत मूल्यांकन तथा लर्निंग आउटकम आधारित निरंतर सुधार का लाभ हर विद्यार्थी को प्राप्त होगा। इसी प्रयास को और सुदृढ़ करने के लिए मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्रालय की नई पहल है समग्र शिक्षा, जिसका मुख्य उद्देश्य है छात्र का बहुमुखी विकास। इसके तहत स्कूली शिक्षा को निरंतरता प्रदान करते हुए पहली कक्षा से 12वीं कक्षा तक को सम्मिलित किया गया है। सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान तथा शिक्षक प्रशिक्षण की केंद्रीय प्रायोजित योजनाओं का अभिसरण कर एक व्यापक योजना तैयार की गई है। प्री स्कूल तथा वरिष्ठ माध्यमिक स्तर को पहली बार शामिल किया है। इस योजना के मुख्य उद्देश्य हैं गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा का प्रावधान और छात्रों के अधिगम निष्कर्षों में वृद्धि, स्कूल शिक्षा में सामाजिक और महिला पुरुष अंतराल को कम करना, स्कूल शिक्षा के सभी स्तरों पर समता और समावेशिता सुनिश्चित करना, विद्यालयों में न्यूनतम मानक सुनिश्चित करना, निःशुल्क और अनिवार्य बाल शिक्षा का अधिकार यानी RTE अधिनियम 2009 के कार्यान्वयन में राज्यों की मदद करना और SCERT और डाइट का सुदृढ़ीकरण। समग्र शिक्षा अभियान के तहत नए स्कूलों की स्थापना और पुराने का उन्नतीकरण किया जाएगा। कम आबादी, पहाड़ी क्षेत्र और घने जंगली इलाके व अन्य दुर्गम क्षेत्रों पर विशेष ध्यान दिया जाएगा और दूर दराज के क्षेत्रों में परिवहन की व्यवस्था भी की जाएगी। कस्तूरबा गांधी बालिका विद्यालय योजना का विस्तार अब सीनियर सेकेंडरी यानी 12वीं कक्षा तक कर दिया गया है। बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ उद्देश्य को आगे बढ़ाते हुए इस योजना में ग्रामीण एवं पिछड़े वर्ग की बालिकाओं को स्कूल छात्रावास में रहकर अपनी शिक्षा पूर्ण करने का अवसर प्राप्त होगा। इसके अतिरिक्त दिव्यांग छात्राओं के लिए प्रति माह 200 रुपए की छात्रवृत्ति तय की गई है। गणित और विज्ञान के प्रोत्साहन के लिए राष्ट्रीय आविष्कार अभियान को और अधिक बल मिल रहा है। साथ ही टेक्नोलॉजी तथा टीचर पर ध्यान केंद्रित करते हुए शिक्षा की गुणवत्ता पर जोर दिया जाएगा। ऑपरेशन डिजिटल बोर्ड के तहत शिक्षा में डिजिटल प्रौद्योगिकी, स्मार्ट क्लासरूम, वर्चुअल क्लासरूम और DTH चैनल की व्यवस्था की गई है। शिक्षकों के कौशल को अपग्रेड करने के लिए डिजिटल पोर्टल दीक्षा का आरंभ किया गया है। भारत सरकार ने शिक्षा क्षेत्र को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वर्ष 2017-18 में आवंटित 28,000 करोड़ रुपए को बढ़ाकर वर्ष 2018-19 में 34,000 करोड़ रुपए तथा वर्ष 2019-20 के लिए 41,000 करोड़ रुपए की स्वीकृति दी है। इसके अलावा छात्रों और छात्राओं को यूनिफॉर्म, टेक्स्ट बुक्स और विशेष जरूरतों के लिए दिए जाने वाले अनुदान में काफी बढ़ोतरी की गई है। स्वच्छ विद्यालय अभियान के लिए विशेष प्रावधान, पुस्तकालयों के सुदृढ़ीकरण हेतु नियमित अनुदान का प्रावधान किया गया है। विद्यार्थियों में रोजगार क्षमता बढ़ाने तथा कार्यक्षेत्र के लिए तैयार करने हेतु कौशल विकास का स्कूली शिक्षा में समायोजन। इस योजना में हर स्कूल को स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट के लिए 5,000 से 25,000 तक की राशि का प्रावधान है। साथ ही बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए कला उत्सव, योग ओलंपियाड, बैंड प्रतियोगिता जैसी गतिविधियों का संचालन किया जा रहा है। भारत सरकार के इस प्रयास से देश में समग्र शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में एक नई पहल की गई है, जिससे लाखों छात्र छात्राएं एवं शिक्षक लाभान्वित होंगे।
Samagra Shiksha, an integrated scheme for school education. The MHCRD Ministry announced the launch of Samagra Shiksha program, subsuming three existing schemes. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान SSA, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान RMSA, and a teacher education. This has been done to treat school education holistically from preschool to class 12. It is not just a new name but a new initiative. Let's discuss about Samagra Shiksha. Some key provision. If I am telling you, Samagra Shiksha is an integrated scheme for school education extending from preschool to class 12 to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education at all levels of school education. It subsumes three schemes of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan, Rashtriya Madhyamika Shiksha Abhijan, and teacher education. This scheme treats school education holistically as a continuum from preschool to class 12. The main emphasis of this scheme is in improving the quality of the school education by focusing on two T's, that is teacher and technology. Some major intervention. Some major objectives. The major objectives of this scheme are provision of quality education and enhanced quality learning outcome of students, bridging social and gender gaps in school education, ensuring equity and inclusion at all levels of school education, ensuring minimum standards in schooling provisions, promoting vocationalization of education, support states in implementation of right of children to free and compulsory education, RT Act 2009, and strengthening and upgradation of SCRTs and State Institute of Education and Diet as a nodal agency for teacher training. Some major intervention. The major intervention across all levels of the school proposed under this scheme are universal access including infrastructure, number 1. Number 2, जोटा कथा कहूँ development and retention, and number 2, gender and equity, number 3, inclusive education, number 4, quality, number 5, financial support for teacher salary, number 6, digital initiative, number 7, RT entitlements including uniforms, textbook, etc. Number 8, preschool education. Number 9, vocational education. Number 10, sports and physical education. Number 11, strengthening of teacher education and training. Number 12, monitoring. And number 13, program management. And number 14, national component. It is proposed that preference in the interventions would be given to educationally backward blocks, EBBS, and LWES, that is left-wing extremists, affected districts, special focus districts, SFDS, border areas, and the 117 aspirational district. Some major features. Holistic approach to education. Treat school education holistically as a continuum from preschool to class 12. Inclusion of senior secondary levels and preschool levels in support for school education for the first time. Focus on inclusion and allocation for uniforms under RT Act enhanced from rupees 400 to rupees 600 per child per annum. Allocation for textbook under the RT Act enhanced from rupees 150 to 250 to rupees 250 for 100 rupees per child per annum. Energized textbook to be introduced. Next, allocation for children with special needs CWSN increased from rupees 3000 to rupees 3500 per child per annum. Stipend of rupees 200 per month for girls with special needs from class 1 to class 12. Focus on regional balance, promote balanced educational development, preference to educationally backward block EBVS, LWE affected districts like special focus districts and border areas and the 117 aspirational district identified in Niti Aayog. If I am telling about from Niti Aayog nominated 117 aspirational districts for the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan across the country. Among these districts, 10 districts are included from Odisha. These are Rayagada, Nuapada, Nabarangpur, Malkanagiri, Koraput, Kandhamal, Kalahandi, Gajapati and Dhenkanal. Let's see aspirational districts baseline of ranking map. If I am told about education ranking, education sector better 20 is being pink color symbolized and remaining districts orange color symbolized, and at last bottom 20 remaining red color symbolized for education ranking across the country. So these are the discussion about aspirational district baseline ranking map. Next, focus on quality of education. Enhanced focus on improving quality of education by focus on the two T's, that is teachers and technology. Enhanced capacity building of teacher and school heads. Focus on strengthening teacher education institutions like SCERTS and diets to improve the quality of prospective teacher in the system. Next, SCRT to be the nodal institution for the in-service and pre-service teacher training will make training dynamic and need-based. Support for Rashtriya Aviskara Abhiyan to promote science and maths learning in schools. Support Padhe Bharat program to develop foundational skills at primary level. Provision of library grant for every school ranging from rupees 5,000 to rupees 20,000. Focus on girls' education. Upgradation of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya from class 6-8 to class 6-12. Self-defense training for girls from upper primary to senior secondary stage. Enhanced commitment to Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Focus on sports and physical education. If I am telling sports education to be an integral part of our curriculum, every school will receive sports equipment at the cost of rupees 5,000 for primary school and rupees 10,000 for upper primary school and up to rupees 25,000 for secondary and senior secondary school to inculcate and emphasize relevance of sports. Administrative reform, single and unified administrative structure leading to harmonized implementation, flexibility to states to prioritize their intervention under the scheme, and integrated administration looking at school as a continuum. Focus on digital education. Education is the best investment for society. If I am telling you, so in present society, we prefer technology based education. In our education system must be used technology driven education. Support Operation Digital Board in all secondary school over a period of 5 years, which will revolutionize education, easy to understand. Technology based learning, classroom will become flipped classroom. Enhanced use of digital technology in education through smart classroom, digital board and DTH, direct to home channels. Digital initiative like UDICE Plus, Unified District Information System of Education, SAGUN to be strengthened. Strengthening of ICT information communication technology is called infrastructure in schools from upper primary to higher secondary level. Strengthening of school, enhanced transport facility to children across all classes from class 1 to class 8 for universal access to school. Composite school grant increased from rupees 14,550,000 to 25,000, 1 lakh, and to be allocated on the basis of school enrollment. Specific provision for such activities support Swachh Vidyalaya, improve the quality of infrastructure in government school. Focus on skill development, exposure to vocational skill at upper primary level would be extended. Vocational education for class 9-12 as integrated with the curriculum and to be made more practical and industry oriented. Reinforcement and emphasis on Kaushal Vikas, that is skill development. I hope you got some idea of our discussion. If you have any queries regarding that particular topic and concept as well as for you, you can contact with me whichever you prefer and convenient for medium. Thank you.